Hey guys, welcome back to Become a Better Human Project. It is Sunday and it's a Smart Start Sunday. So we talk about things that help you start your week off right, or things to do during the week that might increase your productivity or make you a little more efficient. And so we're talking about this week is checklists. Now, I hope you already do this, but if this is just a way that I can, put it into your brain a little bit, that checklists are one of the most important things we can do to stay productive. At least that's from my personal history, and what we do a lot in the healthcare industry is we make checklists to help prioritize and execute the game plan of what we want to accomplish during the day or during the client's session or whatever it might be. Helps us decrease mistakes and also helps us improve our productivity and our efficiency. There's something really cool about checklists that when you write something down, it then creates this emotion inside of you. Like you now have this tangible goal that you've set an expectation for yourself to complete that day or that week or that month. And so there's no better feeling when you're able to do that goal and either literally check off or cross out the item that you've written down to try to accomplish. And so it just helps you stay on track. It gives you a little motivation. It kind of snowballs and builds on itself. And it's a great way to do it. So how I do it, and little actionable goals here, is you wake up in the morning, get your normal routine in, and then maybe you wake up just 3 minutes or 5 minutes earlier than you usually do your normal routine. That gives you a little time. Now you sit down, maybe with your morning coffee, or you're about to work out. Maybe you have your little pre-workout drink and you're sitting there and you write out the top 3 things you want to accomplish that day. Maybe you have to write out 10 or 15 items, like, hey, I need to get all this stuff done today. That's a lot of load on your plate for that day. So you write out 10, 15 things, and then you pick the top 3, prioritize them, and try to make them from most important to least important, and then do them, right? Check them off. And then if I write out 15 things and I get 4 of them done, even if it's not my top line item's not done, maybe I get my 3rd one done, my 6th one done, 7th and 10th one done, that still gives me some pride, and it gives me a benefit of, hey, I did accomplish some things. You take the rest of them to the next day and you try to, do them at that time. So really important. I want you guys to try that this week. Checklists help. We know they help save lives, they increase productivity. And if you don't do them, start working them in to your normal routine. My name is Russell Linville, Sports PT. This has Become a Better Human Project. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe if you like these videos. Thanks.